Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to SHIBA update today. And do you remember when I told you that I'm taking a step and initiative to share chart patterns with you on Discord? I just dropped another really good pattern right here that you can actually trade and get a 34% move. So if you are not on Discord, if you and this is on Trade Ideas channel, and you must check the comment section for the Discord link. Click on that, enter Discord, and check this out for absolutely free if you want to trade this pattern. And of course, back on SHIB right now, I do believe that, actually the coin that I shared is a meme coin, okay? And the thing is that SHIB and a lot of meme coins are making this inverse head and shoulders, and they're looking to actually start to go back up one more time. So if I take the trend line and I drop the trend line right over here, you'll actually notice that SHIB is on the verge of breaking above the inverse head and shoulder. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And soon enough, we might actually see SHIB to move up, and we're going to take the trend line and drop the trend line from top to bottom, and that's actually going to show that we might expect to see SHIB going for a move to the upside. And I think this is going to work out. And if you guys want to take a trade, I think you can put a stop down at nearly 1313. This can actually be a good stop loss area, and you can ride SHIB all the way up for 27%, which is 1756. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.